In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the top N subcategories in each category by sales using the index function in Tableau. We'll break it down step by step so that you can easily follow along and apply this technique to your own data sets. To get started, the first thing you want to do is open the Tableau public app. If you haven't already downloaded it, make sure you have Tableau installed and set up before proceeding. Once you've opened Tableau, access the worksheet where you want to perform this analysis. Using your existing data set, we'll begin by laying out the foundation for this visualization. Next, on your worksheet, let's focus on organizing our data by categories. Start by dragging the category and subcategory fields to the rows shelf. This allows Tableau to display each category and its associated subcategories on the left side of your worksheet, setting a clear base for your analysis. Now it's time to bring in the sales data to enhance our visualization. Go ahead and drag the sales field to the column shelf. This will create a visualization that indicates the sales for each subcategory, giving you a rough sketch of the distribution across categories. Once you have your visual structure in place, locate the drop-down arrow in the Dimensions pane. Click on it and then select Create Calculated Field. We're going to create a field that will help us rank subcategories by sales. Name this calculated field Index. In the field, type the function index as your query and then click OK. The index function will allow us to rank our subcategories, which will be crucial in identifying the top performers. Drag this newly created index field to the rows shelf next to your category and subcategory fields. Right away, you'll notice that the index value appears as a continuous measure. Change this to discrete by clicking on the field and selecting Convert to Discrete. This adjustment will help us in the subsequent steps. Now right-click on the index field and select Edit Table Calculation. A dialog box will appear. Here, choose specific dimensions and ensure the Restarting Every option is set to category. This assures that Tableau resets the index for every new category, allowing us to identify top subcategories within each. After setting your specific dimensions, navigate to the Sort Order options within the same dialog box. Select Custom, set it to Sum the Sales field, and arrange it in descending order. This custom sort is what prioritizes the subcategories with the highest sales. Proceed by dragging the index field to the filter shelf. Check all and click OK. Finally, right-click the index filter you've just created and select Show Filter. This will display a filter control directly in your visualization. And there you have it. With this setup, you can quickly identify the top N subcategories by sales within each category, making your data insights more actionable. Feel free to experiment with other dimensions or apply these techniques to different analyses to see how they enhance your Tableau projects.